Today, we're diving into the Galaxy S20 Plus Touch Display Digitizer assembly. If you're dealing with unresponsive screens, pixel distortion, or cracked LCDs, this replacement might be the solution you're looking for. It's specifically designed for the Galaxy S20 Plus, featuring an organic light-emitting diode screen. First things first, compatibility is crucial, and this assembly is spot-on for the S20 Plus. The package comes with a repair toolkit, which is always a plus. Now, what sets this apart is the professional inspection it undergoes. A dedicated QC team ensures its practicality and effectiveness, giving you confidence in its performance. Before making the purchase, I highly recommend checking out online repair videos. This will give you a solid understanding of the installation process and the nuances to pay attention to. Nobody wants to be caught off guard during a repair. In summary, if you're facing screen issues on your Galaxy S20 Plus, this replacement display assembly with a repair toolkit is worth considering. Stay tuned for more tech reviews, and don't forget to hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.